Okay, Peugeot, tell me a joke.
A photon checked into a hotel, and the bellhop asks him if he had any luggage.
Okay, Peugeot, tell me a joke.
I want to find a job cleaning mirrors. It's just something I could really see myself doing.
What's the weather like?
The weather is 8 degrees and mostly cloudy and rain-lulled.
Set the volume to 10.
Your voice assistant does not support the command to set the volume.
Oh, okay, Peugeot. Set the temperature to 19 degrees. Thank you. Show me the map.
Your voice assistant does not support the command to show the map screen. Go right on the roundabout. First exit. A photon checked into a hotel, and the bellhop asks him if he had any luggage. The photon said no, I'm traveling light.
Blah!